Oh, hi. You caught me. I was just getting ready to leave. Where to? Glad you asked. I'm going on an adventure of a lifetime. I'm going to a black hole. I'm packing up my things. I am headed to the center of the galaxy, right into its heart. Yes, I'm heading out on a black hole adventure to meet Sagittarius, a star. It's only 8,000 parsecs away, so I'm packing enough for 3 days. That should be fine, right?
It'll take you forever to get there, and when you get there, you'll probably die. You've probably never heard of gravitational potential, but the gamma rays will burn out your eyes. It's scientifically impossible, and even if it wasn't, all that waits for you, destruction. Pull on you with gravity until you're like spaghetti. It'll pull you till you're long and skinny and dead.
Well, I'm excited for my black hole adventure, and your science can't ruin it for me. To a supermassive black hole in the middle of the Milky Way and all its extreme gravity. Straight into the Sagittarius constellation, it'll work out. Also, I'm a fire sign.
And when it pulls you with 4 million suns of gravity,
I'll remind it that our love charts are aligned. Can I go there?
no.
Can I touch it?
No.
Do you want to come?
Well, what?
Come with me?
I could be a test of general relativity.
I could find every sock I've ever lost in the laundry.
It's not how it works.
Don't be a jerk.
You're right, my therapist says I should really stop correcting people so bluntly. I don't care if it pulls on me with its tidal forces of gravity. I don't care if I get stretched long and skinny. Who in their right mind wouldn't want to be spaghetti?